In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in ClickUp. We'll move through this process step by step, so even if you're new to ClickUp, you'll be able to follow along and start organizing your work right away. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and you're in the correct workspace. From there, go to your workspace overview. This is essentially your home base in ClickUp, where you can see the different spaces, folders, and lists that hold your work. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, because knowing where things live will make your task management much easier over time. Next, navigate to the specific list where you want to create your task. In ClickUp, lists are like containers for related tasks, often grouped by project, team, or workflow stage. Click on the list view so that you can see all existing tasks, or an empty list if you're just starting out. Now, look for the Add Task option, usually found near the top or bottom of the task list. Click on Add Task and immediately give your task a clear, descriptive name. A good task name should quickly tell you what needs to be done without having to open it, so avoid vague labels and aim for something action-oriented. Once the task has a name, you'll want to assign it to someone. Click on the people icon next to the task. This opens a list of members in your workspace. From here, click on the member you want to assign the task to. Assigning a task ensures that someone is clearly responsible for it, which is crucial for keeping work from falling through the cracks. You can also assign it to yourself if you're the one doing the work. After assigning, set a due date. Click on the Set Due Date option and a calendar will pop up. Click on the date when the task should be completed. Adding a due date helps you and your team prioritize and see what's coming up, especially when using calendar or timeline views. If you need more configuration, such as adding a description, subtasks, checklists, or attachments, click on the actual task to open its detailed view. This is where you can capture all the important context, links, and notes that go with the task. Finally, once you're happy with the settings, click on Save. Your task is now created, assigned, scheduled, and ready to be worked on in ClickUp.